Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to pick a Clickbank product to promote in 2019. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. That being said, let's go ahead and get into how to pick a Clickbank product to promote in 2019. I'm going to go over 5 different tips. First one is to choose a category in which people have the most problems. So that's going to be wealth, health, and relationships. So you can make money in other categories, but I would recommend these 3 if you really want to make some good money. And the second tip is to make sure that the sales video is realistic and has real people, not fake actors, because I do a lot of Clickbank product reviews, and the majority of them, they just have a spokesperson. There's not like a real person there, so you don't even know if the results that they're getting are real. And also, you can tell when there's paid actors because it seems as though they're reading off of a script, and so that's not legitimate when paid actors are telling their results that they actually haven't gotten. So that's not something that you want to be looking for. And a great example of a product that is good is Commission Hero, and that's with Robbie Blanchard. He's the #1 Clickbank affiliate. He makes millions of dollars, and he is in the sales video. He's a real person. You can look him up. But most of the Clickbank product sales videos that I look at, you don't ever see the person. You can't search them. They're just some spokesperson, and a lot of them are rehashed information. The third thing you want to look for is a high gravity score above 40. That just means that it's selling well. So if we go to the marketplace and we're going to go to e-business and marketing, like the first one, the Clickbank University is a good product. You can see the gravity is 39.55, so that's good. Super Affiliate System is another good product to promote. Gravity is 48.27, so those 2 are good products. So above 40 or pretty close to 40 if you can get that. Look for a product that has upsells, and this is where the initial sale is lower than the average sale. So the initial sale right here, for example, on Clickbank University is $62.85, and then the average sale is $160.31. So this is an example of a good Clickbank product to promote, as well as Super Affiliate System. That one's also higher the initial sale from the average sale, so people are taking the upsells. And then the 5th thing to look for is a good affiliate page with good marketing material. So I was talking about Commission Hero being a good product to promote. Now that one you have to apply to be an affiliate, which I did, but this is the affiliate resources page. It's got all kinds of videos that you can download and use in your campaigns. He has ad copy that you can use, email swipe. So it's a really, really good affiliate page, and they're very responsive. I've spoken with or chatted with them on Skype, and so they'll answer any questions that I have. So it's good to have somebody that's an affiliate manager that's really active, and again, they have good affiliate resources. So those are the 5 things that I would look for to promote a Clickbank product. And you can just come in here, you can either sort by popularity here, or you could sort by gravity. Let's see if we have any that I would recommend. There's the Super Affiliate System. Right now, I would say those 3 are good. The Super Affiliate System, Clickbank University, and Commission Hero. Let me see. I know Commission Hero came out just recently, so probably have to scroll down here a little way to see it. And so the gravity may not be that high. I think this is another good product, Trenzy. I'm going to be doing a review on that. It looks really high quality. Well, let's just go ahead and search Commission Hero. And this product, I'll leave a link in the description below this video to my review on Commission Hero. But it's Robbie Blanchard, like I said, who's the #1 affiliate for Clickbank. And he teaches his system of how to sell Clickbank products with paid Facebook ads. So this is, like I said, it just came out, so the gravity is not that high, but it is a really good product. I think it's high quality. They have a webinar is the first thing that people will come to. So they register for the webinar, and he talks about the 3-step system and all kinds of testimonials and results. And this is, like I said, a really good product to promote. So hope you guys found some value in how to pick a Clickbank product to promote in 2019. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I'll have my contact information in the description below this video as well. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online as well as offline, and some incredible bonuses, those will be the first 2 links in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.